Hey everyone, it's Emily Eck with Tyler Miller Team and Edina Realty, and I am bringing you this week's Wisdom Wednesday. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the current market and how it relates to existing versus new construction. So last year, the National Association of Home Builders came out with a study that showed that 60% of people preferred or wanted to build new versus buy existing homes. And there's actually a new consumer confidence index survey that just recently came out that is showing that the people looking for new construction versus existing is actually down about 9%, so just under 10%. And there's probably a few reasons why that could be happening. One is the process is a lot faster when buying existing. There can be a lot of things that can go on. You usually get a estimated timeline where you're going to build new construction if you're not familiar with how that process works. But with delays in certain materials and those types of things, a lot of times that closing date can get pushed out sometimes when you're waiting for those kinds of materials. Another aspect too is the volatility of lumber prices and labor prices with shortages here and there. And so what a lot of builders have been doing is putting escalation clauses into their purchase agreement, which basically states that they have the right to increase that price that you lock in at the beginning if they need to because of increased prices on some of those things. So these could be a couple of the reasons why people have kind of started to shift towards existing homes over new construction. With that said, what does that mean for you? So if you're a seller out there looking to sell your home, it basically means that there's more buyers considering buying an existing house or your house versus building a new construction home. Now, if you are a seller that wants more information on, what your house could sell in your area, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or the entire team. We have a team of 6 agents that are very, very good at what they do. Now, if you are one of those people that maybe isn't part of the 9% decrease and you are interested in new construction, I know personally myself, I have 3 new builds going on right now. A couple other people on our team have some new builds going, and if you missed our announcement, we actually will be repping in our properties with their brand new development in Blaine called the Meadowlands. So if you have any interest in that or building on one of those lots, we are doing lot holds now. So reach out to the team and we would love to help answer any questions that you guys might have. So thanks for joining us today on Wisdom Wednesday, and I hope you all have a great day.